I hope you can hear me over all this noise. I'm back at round one, the bowling alley in arcade. I got me a cheeseburger this time, 2 patties, nice and hot.
That's a big cheeseburger.
Nice sesame bun, melted cheese. Definitely not burned or anything. Not my favorite cheeseburger, but it's not bad. It was a $15.39 for this burger here, 2 patties. The fries, you can get tomatoes and lettuce here if you want it. I didn't want it out. I should have got it. Yeah, it's not bad. You know what I needed? Ketchup. Yes, I need some kind of sauce on this.